Alright. So, we got less than or greater than. What if it has a little bar underneath there? What is that called? Less than or equal to, right? This one, it would be greater than or equal to. There you go. Alright, so number 1. William, can you help me out on number 1? What would I do first? You subtract 6. There you go. And so B is less than 14 minus 6 is how much, Hunter? 8. Okay, but that's not the only thing it told you to do in the directions, okay? So I want you to put away. It said solve each inequality, which we did, but then it said graph the solution set, okay? So you can mark out this part. We're not going to do that. But when it says graph, we need to graph it. You need to draw a little number line. It doesn't have to be very big. You just do like 3 numbers on there. So what numbers should I put on this number line if we got 8 as an answer? 8? 8 should be on there. I'll probably put that on the middle, right? So what goes on both sides? Well, I would do 7 and 9. Yeah. But you can do 6 and 10 if you want to be counted by 2. That's fine. Alright, so here's what you need to put at the top. Less than and greater than, if they don't have the equal to bar, they get an open circle. If they do have the equal to bar, they get a closed circle. I'm going to show you just a minute. Alright, so what kind of sign do we have? Are we going to have an open dot or a closed dot? Open dot on 8, right? So on 8, you just put an open dot. So what that means is it's going to get really close to 8, but it's never actually going to touch 8, right? So where do we go from there? If it's less than, am I going to shade towards the 7, or am I going to shade towards the 9?
7.
Towards 7, there you go. So you just shade this way, just make it dark, boom, you're done. Okay? Like Mercedes uses these a lot. They use inequalities a lot because they want to see where your manufacturing is, right? So if you're producing less than what you're supposed to, then you're probably going to get in trouble or not get your raise, right? But if you're producing more than what you're supposed to, then you'll get your Christmas bonus or get your raise, or may even get promoted, okay? All right. Where? It means this is less than or equal to. This is greater than or equal to. You just add the or equal to part at the end. All right, Sydney, what do I do first on number 2? Add the 9. There you go. All right, so Sama, can you tell me what I have left when I add 9? Z. Do you remember what the symbol was? Greater than or equal to. And then what's negative 15 plus 9? Close. Negative 6. There you go. Alright. Then what do I do from there? Tyler Emerson. We need to get the z by itself before we can graph. About 8. Very good. And so then, that's going to stay a fraction. So what number will go into 6 and into 8? 2. So if I divide these both by 2, I get negative 3 over 4, right? Alright, so let's draw my number line. Where should the negative 3 over 4 go? In the middle, right? Just always put them in the middle. Don't make this complicated. What are the whole numbers on either side of negative 3/4? What are the whole numbers? 0 is one of them, right? It's a fraction. Where should the 0 go? Now be careful, it's negative. So where should the 0 go? On the left or on the right? Where? On the right, because it's backwards. When you have negatives, they're backwards, right? And then you said -1? Very good. What you got, Jonathan? We're not getting that technical. But yes, you could. Yes. We're just going to do whole numbers. We're just going to make it easy, okay? Alright, so here we go. Look, you've got a greater than or equal to. This little equal to bar right here, if it's a solid bar, it's a solid dot, okay? Solid bar, solid dot. Solid bar here, solid dot on the line. Solid bar, solid dot. And then just look where the arrow is pointing. If it's greater than, this arrow is pointing towards the right. So you just shade towards the right. And we're going to do one more and then we'll call it a day. Then you don't have any homework tonight. Alright, let's look at number 3. So Michael, what would I do first on number 3? Add 14, there you go. And Abby, when I add 14, can you tell me what I have left? Well, the whole thing. Nine, very good. And then, Blake, can you tell me what I do next?
Multiply,
there you go, very good. And then, Peyton, can you tell me what I have left when I multiply by 3? 27, very good. And I'm going to draw my graph. So, Leslie, what number should I put on my number line? 26. And which one? 27 and 28, yes. Very good. Alright, Jack. So am I going to have an open circle or a closed circle for just a less than? Open circle on 27. And then, Kai, where do I shade if it's less than? To the left or to the right?
left.
To the left. There you go. Perfect. And then 4 is a little different, so we're going to start that tomorrow, which is why that's not your homework tonight. So go ahead. You got about a minute. I'll go ahead and pack that. All right. Who had a computer that had a issue? What is 4, right? And then how are we going to do 20? Alright, anybody else have a computer? Yes, ma'am. Anybody else have a computer? Alright, leave your quizzes on your desk. Leave your quizzes on your desk. And I am going to try to get those. You're going to put them down. I don't care about that. Okay, y'all have a seat. Bill or off, but have a seat. And then, tonight, are you going to come Thursday or Monday? We talked about the new password stuff for INAM? No. The new password is ACS-2017, and then it'll prompt you to change your password, and you should be able to change your password back to the old one you had last year. So it's ACS ACS. That's 2017. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Leave your quizzes on your desk. Place your pen. Blake, put your pen.
Oh,
Jacob, you gonna be okay being late? Okay, I'll write your back.
Are you fine with me coming here for second TV edition and so we can sell it down?
Okay. If you can find another chair or something to bring in here, I'm okay with that.
Sweet.
If you can find another chair. I'll get that. Okay. Actually, hey, give it to me because there's a blue, you can set that blue chair up there, okay?
Because Matt is holding my bag, so just go take your dad from here, so we can go.
And you work on your homework and stuff. All right, where are you going?
I don't even know his name.
You know what room number?
It's
Here, no, I just put second period. MEGIOS? OIS. Sorry. Vigo is.
Good thing you don't have to do it in Greek.
Yeah, that's true.
Pronounce the Yankees.
Oh, that's not bad. Second. Today's the 22nd. It is 8:45.
Can I turn it into some words like this? Some words credit.
Yeah, put your name on it and put what it is. Quickly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, your bell ringers are coming around. The bell ringers are coming around. You have 2 pieces of paper. No. Is it on your
This morning.
Like, should have gone for that. Alright, we got a lot to do today, guys. Oh, yeah, he's never going to live that long. Alright, did I miss anybody? You did not have a bell ring. Okay. So we're going to go over this quickly together, quickly, because we got a lot of stuff to do, and then we're going to get computers. So when I tell you, quickly, Oscar, Alright, you're coming up here, guys. You're signing by your name, saying that you have gotten that computer. You're going to take that computer and log in, and then you're going to finish working on your dollar. There you go. Nobody's on board. So basically, all juniors. Thank you, Brinkley. I never hit the stop button from other class.